Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a mathematical formulas to your design. So here we go. You can open Canva. This is Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To start, you can click apps, click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find latex math. So you can add mathematical formulas to your design. They use familiar latex syntax and with a single click add your design. No more screenshots and complicated conversion needed. So you can click use in existing design or you can click use in new design. Okay, this is for example. So here in order to insert the formulas, you can add your formula in here. This is for example. You can click inline if you need it and simply click add to design. And open this app in a web browser to learn how to donate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, contact button below. See you in the next video.